Hi, I'm Tatiana. I am an acupuncture student in Los Angeles, California, and I wanted to do this dissection lab to get a better understanding of the human body because I never got to do it in school. We don't have a chance to dissect a cadaver or anything for that matter. So it's been really exciting, and I'm looking forward to see what my approach will be to the human form when I get back to my patients.
Hi, my name is Angela Maya. I'm from New York. I'm a massage therapist. This is my second time coming to enjoy this amazing dissection lab with Tom and Todd and all the instructors. They're helping them. My first experience was amazing, so that's why I decided to come back. In that moment I was studying. Right now I'm practicing, so I wanted to see again the real movements of our body inside the skin, the fascia, the connection between all our muscles, to see the organs, to get approach, to know more about the nerves, ligament, tendons, and it's been amazing experience. We have to connect with really smart people that we're learning from each other. I got to meet her. I got to see you again. And I invite everyone to come and have that experience because it's only one-time experience that you can see it with your own hands, you dissecting, and you can really visualize the body how it really is. So thank you so much.